Hello to all my beard shopping, Black Friday, holiday seeking deals. I am Dan C., your trusted teacher, and today I'll be reviewing a beard kit by Beardscape. This may be one of the best deals and kits out there for the holiday season from a company that my beautiful wife Sam C. and I have already reviewed and loved and been using for months now. And yes, Sam will be joining us a little bit later. This is going to be a little bit different of a review video because we've already covered most of these items. So we're just going to really talk about the kit and our thoughts on this company overall. So stay tuned to find out more information about this great beard kit deal. Kit itself, what are you going to be purchasing? What are you going to be giving this as a gift, or even if you're just buying it for yourself? First off, it comes in this awesome magnetic box here from Beardscape. Super professional packaging. And inside there, more professional packaging. You got another little box here. And on the inside, a leather sleeve for a really high quality sandalwood comb. You've got the wide teeth and the fine teeth. Beautiful sandalwood smell, Beardscape etched on there. Again, super high quality. This is the heaviest sandalwood comb I own, so this would do really well in the back pocket, especially with the sleeve there. So already off the bat, super high quality. What else? You have a 4-ounce beard softener, a 4-ounce beard wash, and these are both in the peppermint scent, and they work really, really well. The beard softener is a little bit different of a texture and consistency than we're used to with a co-wash, but it does the same thing. It's just a different name, different feel to it, but it leaves my beard really nice. After I wash it really well, I go in with the beard softener and I'm able to run my fingers through my beard really, really easily. So that is already there. Now the main components. We have a 2-ounce balm and a 2-ounce oil for unscented, 2-ounce balm, 2-ounce oil for the eucalyptus, and a 2-ounce balm, 1-ounce oil. I apologize, I said 2-ounce oils here when I was getting ahead of myself, but these are 1-ounce oils for the citrus spice. These are all amazing. They are all USDA organic certified. They even go in there and they talk about that this was organically certified by Borrow. So they have an actual company. If anybody accuses them of trying to use loopholes or try to get out of the certification, they're actually certified by an independent company to make sure they are organic. That is amazing. USDA certified there. So this is a lot of product here. 3 different 2-ounce balms, 3 different 1-ounce oils, beard softener, beard shampoo, and a really nice presented sandalwood comb. Let's see how much this kit is going to cost you. Price rating. I'm going to rate this kit based on a $1, $2, or $3 price rating. This kit is going to get a $1 price rating with a crazy deal. Right now this kit is on sale for $59.99. Under $60 for all of this. Let's say there was an amazing deal, a $1 $1 deal for a 2-ounce balm with a glass container and a 1-ounce oil for 20 bucks. You did that 3 times, you're already over the price. $60 if you said those were each 20, that's not including the shampoo and the beard softener or the sandalwood comb. That is an amazing, amazing deal for super high quality, organic, all natural, made in USA, quality products there. Absolute bargain for quality products. I can't stress that enough. Great deal. All right, bearded professionals of the world, welcome to the Beardscape Hat Club. This is Sam C.
Oh, you do have one on.
I do.
I didn't even notice that.
Yes, we got our matching Beardscape hats.
We're so cute.
Yeah, I love Sam in a hat. So, Sam, today we are reviewing Beardscape.
No.
We've had a review on this company already before, but 'tis the season, and we have a beard kit perfect for the holiday season that we'll be reviewing today. This is another one of those kits that Sam loves. Why? Because it folds up nicely and
Fancy.
it's magnetic. It's got a little magnetic hatch there. So initial impressions when you look at the kit, Sam, thoughts?
Just very professional. Yes, don't drop
Careful,
it.
Dan, it's glass.
Super professional. I love the packaging. I love the labels. Clean. Great.
Yeah, it reminds me of like the professional women's lines that you see at Ulta when you go there and you get
absolutely.
a pack. It's like, wow, that's awesome. So we have a bunch of awesome things in this one today, Sam. We have a beard comb. I mean, they even go the extra mile
To put
for
that in a
a
box.
beard comb inside of a box,
And
not
it's so
another
cool.
box. They have a leather sleeve for the sandalwood
That's
comb.
so cool.
Wide edge, thin, and it's got Beardscape right on there. And feel the weight on this.
Oh,
Super high quality comb there.
That's legit.
Very strong. Scuba test. No break. Very, very strong. And I'm a above average strong human, so. And even on the leather pouch.
yeah, that
It's
leather
got
pouch.
the
I
super
feel like I would
nice.
like use that for other things
Yeah,
too.
right, to save things.
Yeah.
So, I mean, just literally the extra mile on everything. So what we have in here is we have a beard softener, a beard wash. We have 3 oils, 2 of which we've already reviewed. But we have the eucalyptus, the spice citrus or the citrus spice, and unscented. And then we have the 3 balms. I think Sam's favorite packaging and labeling out of any of these. You have the glass, and then the real cool thing is on the balm, it has the rubber seal, so it closes it nicely in the same 3 cents there. So let's start with the new ones. We have the 4 ounces of beard wash and beard softener. She doesn't know the scent, but I have faith that she will right when she smells it. We'll go with the beard softener first. I think the scent's a little bit stronger.
Beard softener, aka a conditioner?
Yeah,
or?
so it is their version of a conditioner.
Okay.
It has a different consistency that we're used to than the light or thick conditioners. You can see in there, it is a very, very thick.
Oh, it's kind of like gelatinous.
It is.
Looking.
It is. It's not like your traditional
Interesting.
conditioner. So yeah, scent.
Ooh, peppermint.
Peppermint. Straight up peppermint.
Ooh, that smells good.
And I am an extreme fan of peppermint. As everyone knows, I just did a collab oil and it was chocolate and peppermint. So I love.
Seriously obsessed with peppermint.
I love peppermint. I really do. So it's perfect. And I think peppermint is a very clean feel.
It is.
Especially when you're washing there. So peppermint, beard softener. Now she a lot of times thinks the beard wash smells differently because of the washing chemicals, or not chemicals, but properties in it. Nope, just peppermint.
Yep.
And extremely refreshing, super, super nice, great labeling again. I can just see this being
fancy.
in a Target or in an Ulta.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like, this is made for Target, it really is. Okay, we are not gonna go with the unscented oil, but we'll just go with the balm because the oil has no scent whatsoever, but sometimes the unscented balms do because of the butters in there, whether it's shea butter or any other butter has that feel. So this is supposed to be unscented, natural. See if you get any smell on this.
Okay. No.
Nope, not really.
Nothing.
There's absolutely nothing there. So if you are looking for a true unscented, whether you're going hunting, because they don't want to give away their scent trail for any animals.
I never thought about that.
Yeah, huge one. A lot of people at nighttime don't like to have a scent in their beard. Some people have reactions to any kind of fragrance or essential oils. There you go. Nice and easy
awesome.
there. Yeah, absolutely.
Do a lot of other companies have unscented or not?
Yeah, I would say it's about 50-50. I would say 50% of them offer unscented and 50% do not.
Okay.
But a lot of these small batch can probably make it happen. It's easier for them.
Right.
You just give your base carrier oils. But some carrier oils do have an scent or a stank to them. So yeah,
like sweet almond oil smells so good.
Yeah, and they do. So they have the different ones. If you want to learn more, see my Carrier Oil 101 series.
Plug.
But hey, it's good knowledge. All right. Balm here, the eucalyptus.
I just want to like bathe in it. Just...
And we have had a review on this already, but it's worth it to talk about it again. And if you want to go check out our other review, I'll link it at the end. But it's just such an amazing scent. I wore it the other day and she goes, "Is that eucalyptus?" And she never remembers things. That's how good this is.
It's just so clean and refreshing.
To me, it's just comforting. It just makes me it's just nice. Just snuggle
like
up.
you just got, to me, it's like you just got a brand new, I guess for girls it's different. You just got like this brand new shampoo and conditioner and it like works so good and it smells so good and you're so happy with it.
Yeah, guys won't do that much.
Eucalyptus is happiness.
Yeah, she always talks about the feeling of a new shampoo and all this stuff, and I'm like, whatever you got, I'll use.
Okay, you just got a new beard oil and you
oh,
just
there
love
we
it
go.
so much.
Now we're talking. Yeah, it's amazing, you guys. With every ounce of me, recommend the eucalyptus oil and balm, and obviously the kit. If you want to impress somebody that has a beard, this kit, somebody will open up and say, whoa,
yeah,
this is next level, because it is. There's not many companies that are putting this amount of detail into the labeling, into the packaging, and the scents. And the other one is the citrus spice, or a spice citrus, which is supposed to be a citrus with some clove behind it.
Right. Yeah, it's like, so clove is like Christmas.
Just straight
to
up.
me.
I'm seeing that more and more and more and more. Like clove is just Christmas. Like.
So it's like Christmas with some orange juice.
Yeah. Yep. Pretty much. And this one's a good one. It's on the more subtle side. It's not an aggressive spice citrus.
Yeah, it's not like an in your face.
Yeah.
Sorry. In your face like Christmas smell. It's like, oh yeah, there's a little bit of orange in there. That's nice.
And so it's really good. And it's just, again, glass, labeling's just beautiful on here.
I love it.
So
I always love the black labels.
Yes,
They just look so clean.
Especially on the beard shelf, they just stand out really nicely. And I have a wide arrangement, which I like, but the clean, just nice black labels, it's just professional. Very, very professional. Super nice stuff. All right. So overall thoughts and impressions, especially because I think a lot of women are going to watch this video because it is a beard kit for the holidays. So take it away, Sam. What do you think overall?
I think this is highly recommended if you're looking for something for your significant other. I think this kit covers everything that you would need.
Absolutely.
It's great.
And we've loved this company since the first time they sent something out. It was absolutely awesome. So 100% recommend this kit. It is one of the best kits I think you can buy for the holiday season. There's tons of cheap Amazon ones out there, which some of them are actually pretty good. This is next level stuff.
Yes,
it really is. So awesome.
And these hats are killer.
She loves her hat.
This is my favorite hat right now. It fits so great.
Mine doesn't fit me perfectly because I have a crazy melon in my head.
I really like this. It almost looks like a velvet sort of thing. It's not, but it like is so just like
it's thick, pristine. It's nice quality.
Yeah.
I just have a big head and I gotta have at least
good.
It does. It's just a little bit tight on me. And I have it down to
your brain.
I do. I got it down to the last 2 notches because if you put it on one, it turns into like a hinge and like goes like this. So you gotta have 2 for a little support, and then on 2 it's a little tight on me. So that's my only thing. I really like the hat. It is. It's slick, man. If you're looking for a clean cut hat and just rocking it, and you don't want some screaming beard logo out there, it's pretty cool.
Absolutely.
So Beardscape I think is kind of general. People could kind of relate to that. Yeah. So awesome. All right. Well, thank you, beautiful.
You're welcome.
Rebuy. To leave you with, would I recommend this kit to you? Strongly. If you check the comments, a lot of people have tried this company. My buddy from Michigan, Jake Boss, swears by them. I've tried them several times now. Amazing customer service, amazing quality of products. Don't just take my word for it. Look in the comments for anybody that's tried it. Leave a comment down below if you've been able to try Beardscape and let the people know what you think with an honest response. Check those out. See if this beard kit is for you. Link in the description there. And I'll leave you guys with a question. I have lots of beard stuff that is on my Christmas list and a couple of other things like a lighting kit and stuff to go with the channel, which I'm very excited about. But what is on your Christmas list this year? What is something within reason that you absolutely want and are asking loved ones for? I'm seriously curious to see what you guys think. So I hope you guys check this kit out. I hope you get some awesome bearded things for your bearded buddies and friends and family members this Christmas or holiday season all around the world. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Have a beautiful bearded day.